Today's sponsor is cheap coffee. It's good all the time, no matter what. Well,
it's bad though.
hello, hola, and welcome everyone to this quick tutorial on how to upload your pictures, your photography to Instagram using Instagram.com. No third-party apps, on your desktop, on your laptop, without using your phone at all whatsoever. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go. You need to go to Instagram.com, the regular website, just www.instagram.com. You'll notice that it all looks the same. Nothing's there for you to upload, no button for you to upload. Let's check over here. Also no upload button at all whatsoever. So clearly it looks like we cannot do much from Instagram.com. So, but what I'm gonna want you to actually do and actually pay attention to is those three little dots on the top right hand side of your screen. So you're gonna open up that window. You're gonna go down to more tools, and that's gonna open up a window, and you're gonna head on down to where it says developer tools. Developer tools, that's what you're gonna want to click on. Ooh, it's gonna open up this window right here. Don't get overwhelmed. That is nothing that we need to actually worry about at all whatsoever. So what you actually want to pay attention to here is right on the top left hand side. You're gonna see that second button. It says toggle device toolbar. Toggle device toolbar. When you click on that, look at that. It looks more like your phone already. So that's a progress. But of course, no available way to upload anything at all whatsoever. So that's not good. But here we go. Let's go to left hand side. Let's hit refresh on the page. And once we hit refresh on the page, let's see what happens. There we go. Right on the bottom, you're gonna see if it's off frame a little bit because of the screen recording, my bad. But on the bottom you will see your options to upload. We're gonna go ahead and just pick something to upload. Here we go, here we go. That's good enough. And from here on out, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna have kind of the same, just a few options, not the same options that you have on your phone, but at least you can drop a filter on it if you want. You can go ahead and upload it by hitting next on the top right hand side. Obviously you can flip the image. So this is a great way for somebody that owns a small business, wants to post those images from their computer to their Instagram. Same thing from people that are running other businesses Instagram accounts, photographers especially, that you do a lot of your work and a lot of your edits right on your computer. This is phenomenal for you. So there we go. Gracias a todos for checking out this quick tutorial on how to upload your pictures on Instagram using your desktop or laptop and without your phone, because not all of us want to use our phones all the time to upload. Hello Instagram, check on that. Make sure you fix that in the future. But as of making this video, that's one of the ways, without using a third-party app obviously, that you can upload to Instagram from your desktop or laptop. Gracias, ciao, adios. Hopefully you have a great day, night, not sure when you're watching this video. Toodaloo, mwah, peace. Should I dive down, maybe? I'll sink down, just slowly sink. I'll just sink, bye.